Hello everyone, welcome on GK Talks. You can find educational videos on my channel, and today I am here with the new video containing the difference between advice and advise. ADVISE, advise versus advice, ADVICE. It's no wonder that advice and advise are often confused. They are used in similar context and are separated by just one letter. But that letter signals important distinctions to keep in mind when using these two terms. Now, what does advice or advise mean? First of all, let's talk about advise, ADVISE. What does advise mean? Advise is a verb that means to suggest what should be done, to recommend, or to give information to someone. The SE of advise sounds like a Z. What does advice mean? ADVICE. Advice is a noun that means a suggestion about what you should do. The CE of advice sounds like S. Now, how should I use each? The S of advice sounds like a Z. To advise is to suggest what should be done, to recommend or to give information to someone. In other words, to advise means to give advice. To advise means to give advice. For example, here are some examples of advice in a sentence. Like, the lawyer advised the client not to sign anything that she did not read first. My mother always advises me to bring a jacket to the movie theater because the air conditioning can be chilly. Synonyms of to advise are to give suggestions, to counsel, and to notify. The C of advice sounds like S. When someone gives you a suggestion about what you should do, that's advice. In this sense, it is an uncountable noun. That means you can't have an advice or many advices. Like in sentence, Reena gave her daughter advice about the way to say to her father. Occasionally, you will see expressions that divide advice into units of measurements that can be pluralized, such as pieces of advice or words of advice. Now see the examples. The daughter carefully followed her mother's words of advice. Guidance, counsel, and directions are synonyms of advice. A person who gives advice formally or on a regular basis is an advisor. Now, some tips to remember the difference between advice and advise. Usually, focus on the last three letters in the spellings. ICE and ISE. First of all, it should be noted that ISE is a common ending for regular verbs in English, like surprise, improvise, supervise. Secondly, many English nouns end in ICE, like dice, mice, device. So we should remember that ISE is normally associated with verbs. Thus, advise is a verb and ICE is often associated with nouns. Therefore, advice is a noun. I hope, guys, this description will help you to understand the difference between advise and advice. I hope you will like it. You can check my other videos related to English. The links are flashing on your screens. Check that out. Thank you. Bye-bye.